Okay, I'm going to sing another Lauren O'Connell song. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. Really great musician. Yeah, so this is called White Noise. Taking syllables that I want to have meaning, painting them in white up on the ceiling, to swim around the air while I am sleeping. In the morning they'll be a bit blurrier. And one morning I'll be waking in my bed to make out the letters overhead. They'll be blurred into a cloud up there instead. I'm inviting you to be what paints. I'm inviting you to be what paints. Where do you send things to? Your heart ain't got no room. I'm set on banishing my undying love, unwavering fear of all the wrong things. Syllables that sound against my skull echo and overlap until they're dull. Blend into the hum inside the wall. I'm inviting you to be white noise. I'm inviting you to be white noise. Do you send things to? Your heart don't have no room. I'm set on banishing my undying love, wavering favor of all the wrong things. I'd like to know how difficult is it to recreate established laws of physics, dwell inside the confines of a minute. Everything just drones. No envoy. And I am inviting you to be white noise. Do you send things to? Your heart ain't got no room. I'm set on banishing my undying love, unwavering fear of all the wrong things. Okay, that is, or was, White Noise by Lauren O'Connell. Yay!